If you're rolling around with the stock exhaust on your Nissan Frontier 4.0 liter, you're leaving sound and performance on the table. A solid catback system can seriously wake up your truck with better flow, a deeper tone, and more power on tap. Whether you're off-roading or just want your V6 to sound like it means business, this list has you covered. All product links are in the video description below. Let's kick it off with the AFE Power MACH Force XP. This setup brings aggressive sound, better throttle response, and a high tuck tip perfect for off-road clearance. Let's hear what this beast sounds like. Next is the Northeastern Exhaust, a budget-friendly stainless steel system that's perfect as a factory replacement. It installs easily, includes all the needed hardware, and improves exhaust flow for daily use or light mods. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a sound clip for this one, but reviews suggest it's a solid OEM-style option at a great price, so I included it on this list. If you've heard it in person, let us know in the comments. Now we've got the Flowmaster FlowFX, which delivers a deep, punchy growl and boosts up to 8 horsepower with dual black tips out the back. It's a clean, easy bolt-on system built from durable 409 stainless steel. Let's hear it bark. The MagnaFlow Street Series brings that signature throaty tone with dyno-proven flow gains and smooth stainless construction for a perfect fit and long-term performance. Let's fire it up and hear how it sings. finally, the Borla S-Type brings aggressive tone without any of the cabin drone, plus it's tuned specifically for the 4.0-liter Frontier with a sleek black chrome tip. Let's hear this monster in action. That wraps up the list of best-sounding exhausts for your Nissan Frontier 4.0-liter. Whether you're chasing volume, tone, or trail-ready clearance, there's a system here that fits the bill. Don't forget, all product links are down in the description, so check them out. And if you dig this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more real-deal gear reviews.